Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to complete your Let's Get to Know Each Other assignment. So when you go to Canvas and you go to your assignments, this is what you'll see for the Let's Get to Know Each Other assignment. You're going to have a link here that you are going to click. When you click this link, it is going to force you to make a copy of the Google presentation. A box will pop up and ask you to make a copy. Just click yes, make a copy, and that will make your own individual copy that will be saved in your Google Drive. So when you click that link and you make a copy, you're going to have a virtual locker. Yours is going to be blank. This is mine. I've already filled it out. You are going to fill your locker full of things that represent you and the things that you like. So I have some pictures of my family, some pictures of my favorite things. On the side here, it gives you some ideas of stuff that you could use as your favorites. Once you have everything in your locker the way that you want it, you're going to come up here to File and Download. When you download, you are going to want to download as a PNG image. Basically, it's just going to take this one slide that you have and turn it into a picture that you can easily download into Canvas. So you're going to click PNG image. It might take a second, but it's going to download onto your computer, and it'll pop up on the bottom of your screen right here in the corner. Now what you're going to do is go back to Canvas. Go back to this assignment. When you are ready, after you've downloaded that, you're going to go to Reply. And when you click Reply, that box won't pop up for you. I'm sorry. When you click Reply, you'll have this box that pops up that you can type into. What we want to do is we want to actually put this picture into this text box. So you're going to come up here to this second image here, little square, looks like a picture. And when you click it, you'll get a drop-down box, and you are going to click Upload Image. When you click that, this page should pop up. Now there are two ways you can get your image. You can either click and drag it into this box, or if you can't do that for some reason, you can always click this rocket and it'll pull up the document search on your computer, and you can find it here wherever you saved it. So I'm going to click and drag my picture. It's going to upload. It will give you a preview so you can make sure it looks the way that you want it to look, and then you're going to click Submit. And when you do that, your picture will pop up in your text box. Now, you are not quite done yet. Next, what you need to do is you need to type in your description. Tell me what you put in there and why you did. So I already have mine written out, so I'm going to put it in there. And then once I have my description written, I'm going to come over here to Post Reply. And once you do that, it'll post your virtual locker with your description into the chain of responses. Now you are free to go through and look at everybody else in your class. You can look at their locker. You can comment on their locker. If you see something that you like that they also like, put a comment, let them know. This is just a good way for us to get to know each other while we are virtual and not on campus. Okay, if you have any more questions, please let me know. If not, have a great rest of your day.